Here's a quick introduction on how to use the snipping tool. The snipping tool is part of Windows. It was part of Windows 7, 8, and of course 10. You can see on my screen on the taskbar I have put the shortcut to the snipping tool because I use it all the time. You'll see how handy of a feature this is. So to begin using the snipping tool, a couple of ways to get into it. You can click on Start and type in Snip to find it, and then click Snipping Tool to get started. Now if you're on a Windows 8 machine, you can just display your tiles, and when your tiles are displaying you can type the word snip and it will search for the snipping tool. Otherwise you will likely have to go to the second page of apps to look for the apps under snipping tool. Either way, find the fastest way. So for me it is to put it on the taskbar. So I'm going to start the snipping tool, and then you'll see that my screen turns gray and it asks me, basically it's saying what do you want to snip. So it's giving me a crosshair, and at that point I want to pick the area that I want to snip. So I got a little bit of ahead of myself here. I'm going to escape out of that for a second because I first of all need to show on the screen what I want to snip. All right, so your directions, your quick directions there in Blackboard tell you to organize your folders on your USB drive and then display them. Take a snip, paste it into Word, save, upload. That's kind of a brief on that assignment. So what we did in class was to display our pen drive and display our organization of stuff. And of course you're looking at my pen drive, so it's a little different than yours, but here's my CIS drive, and here are all of the folders inside of the CIS. So I've got access, solution, and grades, and then you can see all of my assignments are listed here. So this is the organization that I want you to show me. Now let me start the snip tool. My screen turns gray, and I'll grab this window with my snip tool and let go. And then a window opens, a snipping tool window opens, and then I have some choices here. I can save. It will save it as a JPEG. I can copy it. I can send it by email. I can write on it. I can highlight with it. It's really awesome. So as a matter of fact, where'd my pen go? Here would be the item that I want you to focus on, showing that my organization of my pen drive. The highlighter tool, maybe I'd like you to highlight a certain piece of information on your screen. Anyhow, once you have that done, you can copy, open Word, start a new document, paste, and there is my snip. It's a quick way to do a little note that's attached to something that you're looking at on the screen. Okay, so then you need to save that as your snip. Save it as a snip and then upload it in Blackboard. Okay, I don't need to go through that part. You can get the rest of that. All right, thanks and good luck.